This slide introduces algae and bryophytes, emphasizing their unique traits, diverse forms, and roles in ecosystems and human applications. Key algae classes and common bryophytes are covered. Algae play vital ecological roles by fixing carbon dioxide, producing oxygen, and serving as primary producers in aquatic food cycles. Marine algae like Porphyra and Chlorella are nutrient-rich, widely consumed as food, and even support advanced space travel nutrition. Algae-derived hydrocolloids like algin and carrageen have varied commercial applications, including microbial growth and food preparations like ice creams. Presents the primary categories of algae: green, Chlorophyceae; brown, Phaeophyceae; and red, Rhodophyceae. Green algae are unicellular or multicellular plants rich in chlorophyll A and B. Their chloroplasts show diverse structures like spiral or ribbon shapes. Green algae store food as oils or starch and pyrenoids. Their robust cell walls consist of cellulose internally and pectose externally. Green algae reproduce vegetatively via fragmentation, asexually through zoospores, or sexually with varied reproductive techniques. This slide lists notable species of green algae without specific examples given. Brown algae range from small filamentous forms to kelps over 100 meters. They thrive in marine habitats rich in fuchsanthin pigments. Food storage in brown algae includes laminarin or mannitol. Their cells feature a gelatinous algin layer, a vacuole, and a nucleus. Brown algae's body has three main structures: holdfast for anchoring, stipe for support, and photosynthetic fronds. Brown algae reproduce vegetatively, fragmentation, asexually, zoospores, or sexually, isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous types. Notable examples of brown algae include laminaria, kelps, sargassum, floating mats, and ectocarpus, simplest branched forms. Red algae, dominant in warm marine waters, are identified by their phycoerythrin pigment and multicellular structures. Red algae store food as Floridian starch and reproduce vegetatively, asexually, spores, or sexually with post-fertilization features. This slide lists species of red algae without specific examples provided. Compares algae classes based on pigments, food storage, habitats, and specialized features like flagella distribution. Bryophytes include mosses and liverworts thriving in moist, shaded areas, with examples like Funaria and Marchantia. Algae and bryophytes significantly enhance biodiversity, ecosystems, and commercial value, with promising prospects for scientific research.